Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the results from our last round of Cookie Smackdown, where Montreal Confections decorated the bunny shape with a pretty daisy and butterfly, but it was Haniela's unicorn version that took the win. Congratulations, Haniela, for kicking Marlyn's butt. Since Montreal Confections was the loser, she gets smashed. In today's video, Montreal Confections is looking for a redemption and challenges Haniela to a color smackdown. Each decorator must use electric pink, turquoise, and gold. The cutter is the tiered cake by Sweet Sugar Belle. The challengers will both be making a cake design. Once you've watched the video, please vote for your favorite. We'll be announcing the winner at the beginning of our next challenge. Before we start on today's video, if you enjoyed this series, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. The last video view count was pathetic. Come on, people, show us some love. That was an amazing edition of Cookie Smackdown. Who was your favorite? Let us know by smashing your vote into the comments section. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being awesome.
Yes, indeed. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching our second challenge. I also wanted to say thanks to Rai, who is doing our challenge voiceovers. And now let's get down to business. Go in the comment section and vote for your favorite from this challenge. And also, before I forget, those of you who would like to see more behind the scenes and what's going on with the challenges, or what kind of tutorial I am working on, you can check out my Instagram and check the Instagram stories. I often share a bunch of stuff there. So I hope to see you there. And again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.